Morning, kakatapos lang nung parade ng mga float. Ngayon, nagliligpit na yung mga staff dito sa Session Road. Nagliligpit na sila. Yan, kakatapos lang. Ngayon, nandun sila ngayon nakapark sa Burnham Park. Pupunta tayo ngayon doon para masilip yung mga float na nakaparada.
Wala pa tayong duct tape.
Sobrang daming tao kanina. Ililigpit na yung mga ginamit din sa parade. Sobrang daming nanood ng parade kanina, guys. Ngayon kakatapos lang, kaya nagliligpit. Yung iba pupunta ng SM. Sobrang daming tao ngayon dun sa SM. Ngayon pupunta kami ng Burnham Park para makita yung mga float. Hi guys, ayan na yung Burnham Park. Papunta tayo ngayon doon dahil para makita natin na maayos yung mga float. Dami din tao. Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Burnham Park. Ayan, sobrang daming tao. Meron ditong mga kainan. Meron dito guys, mga booth. Meron dito guys, maraming klase ng mga booth, kainan. At ito yung mga float nandito rin. Punta muna tayo dito sa may mga float guys. Mag-i-open na nila pa yan. Ito yung mga float.
Say, sinatawag mo na sa akin yung
Ito guys yung mga float kanina na kasali dun sa parade. Nandito siya lahat ngayon sa Burnham Park.
Paalala po sa ating mga audience, para pinili po natin malinis Baguio. Okay? So, iwasan po natin, no, na iwanan yung ating mga pinagkainan, yung ating pinag-inuman. Make sure po natin na dispose properly, no? And we have some recycling bins. We have garbage bins all around. Yung mga volunteers natin, yung mga students who have been going around and picking up the garbage. Ako, maraming salamat po. Napakalaking tulong yan. Pero pwede niyo rin po tulungan yung mga estudyante ngayon, yung mga nag-iikot ngayon at kumukuha po ng mga basura kung hindi po kayo magkakalat.
Yes.
Mr. Task.
Yung mga yung mga maliliit po na mga wrappers, mga papel na naibulsa nyo kanina, pwede nyo
Samahan sa media, and in 1 minute, we're going to ask or request our audience na dahan-dahan kayong lalapit pag sinabi namin, ha? Pag may go signal. Huwag po tayo magtutulungan, ha? Yung mga bata, alalahanin po natin, baka po bata pa.
baka pumunta po sila dito sa stage at hanapin po kayo.
Oo.
Nawawala po yung tanay ko at tatay ko.
Hawakan po natin yung mga bata, ha?
Pabayaan.
Okay.
Yan, yung mga cellphone natin, mga valuables, yan, medyo siksika na po kayo dyan. Bantayan po natin.
Last 30 seconds.
Parang ano, no?
Parang
Parang marathon. May doon sila, tapos iba pa yung kondo.
Okay. So yung pong mga crowd control natin, Deltans, maraming salamat. Mga criminology students natin, mga Baguio City Police Office, men and women, maraming salamat po. Please extend our sincerest gratitude sa inyo pong pamunuan, si City Police Director Colonel Tagal at ang Traffic Enforcement Unit, ang head po niya si Police Major Dogas, at lahat po no, na namumubuo ng Baguio's Finest and the Police Regional Office Cordillera, si Brigadier General Paredes. Okay, I hope I got it right. And
Ako naman gusto ko to personally thank si Andrew, of course. Yan, ang aking partner every street dance and float parade. Our Chief of Staff, Ms. Madge Paino, thank you very much. Our, of course, Mr. Anthony De Leon, Mr. Freddy Alquiros, and our Chairman for Life, Attorney Mauricio De Mogan.
oo. At syempre, yung 122nd Naval Combat Support Squadron Reserve. Okay? Thank you very much po. So, Deltans, ready na ba tayo? Can we, andito sila Mayor? Okay lang? Nasa gilid? Okay lang? Okay. So, wag po tayo magtutulakan. If we're ready, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy for your eyes only the floats and the float competition of the Baguio Flower Festival.
No touching po, ha?
Okay, go!
The winners will be announced again on February
Yan, guys.
26.
Pwede nang lapitan yung mga
Suspension Road.
float.
Maraming salamat po sa pagsama ninyo sa amin. Kahapon,
Tingnan natin yung mga float, guys, ang malapitan.
Magpapaalam po muna kami bukas sa session naman. Ako po si Russell de Guzman.
I'm Andrew Pinero, and in behalf of the organizers of the Baguio Flower Festival,
Victory Liner
the
float.
local government of Baguio and the Baguio Flower Festival Foundation Incorporated, sa lahat po ng mga volunteers natin, sa lahat po ng mga tumulong, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy your weekend! And hindi pa po dito nagtatapos ang Baguio Flower Festival. Hanggang March 2 pa po ito. We'll see you in the different activities.
Guys, pwede na nating lapitan yung mga float ng mas malapitan pa. Yan, makikita natin yung mga float, guys. Pero bawal siyang hawakan.
Bisyat mo ako, Jake. Nagsusuwalay na ako.
Ang ganda nitong float na to, guys. Ang nagbenga 2025. Sobrang dami ng float dito, guys. Ito yung maliliit na float. Maganda ng mga bulaklak. Pero bawal siyang hawakan.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while, we'll be starting the program featuring Fumiya, brought to you by Pocari Sweat. Please enjoy the view of the floats today, but later we'll be having a meet and greet with Fumiya, brought to you by Pocari Sweat. We'd like to acknowledge the public, the police, our park community, by picking up our own trash in our surroundings. Thank you for your cooperation. Happy Panagpag.
Rapi na. Padiaw, kapertaw. Ibarin ko lang ito. Iba pa rin yan? Stop din. I-try mo ako. Try mo.
Results of the fall community will be announced in the Pilipinas Baguio on Wednesday.
Wait lang. Dapat hindi pa lang nilagay.
Patraw.
Tayo, ang ganda nito, oh. Gaganda nito.
Ang ganda ng float na to, guys, sa bahay. Meron din program dito sa...
Ayan. So, I have here, my colleague. Oh my gosh. Inside ka na lang pala, John. I have here my colleague. John, can you raise your hand, John?
Hello!
Here, inside the barricade na lang, please. Baka pagkaguluhan ka ng tao.
Hello.
Ayan. So, there are just a few questions, no? If you got the right answer, you'll win premium items from Pocari Sweat. Alright? Okay. Do you have fans? Can you show your fans out? Alright, for the first question. What does
Baguio City every year.
Wow, that's the festival, sir. But what does the Panagbaga really is?
Blooming of flower.
Ano?
Blooming of flower.
Very good! So, it's from Cantonese. Correct me if I'm wrong. No? It means season of blooming. So, blooming talaga siya. That's why I believe everyone is really looking beautiful and blooming today. I believe this whole month. Next naman. What is the theme of Panagbaga 2025? What is the theme with explanations? What is the theme of Panagbaga 2025 with explanation?
Love and beyond boundaries.
What's the meaning for you? Alright, dahil dyan, because Bucharest Wet loves you, tama na yan. Alright, congratulations! Congratulations! Next naman, history. Who's doing history here? History? Ay, ikaw din? Pumunta ka nga doon sa back na ano. Alright, history. In which year did the first?
February 1996.
Very good! 1996 it is! Congratulations! Ito, very recent to, very recent. What record-breaking event is set for the Grand Float Parade in Panagbaga 2025? How many floats did we have today? How many? 43. Very good! Ito. General knowledge. General knowledge ko. Because knowledge is power, everyone. Knowledge is power. What is Baguio City's nickname? Baguio City's nickname.
City of Pines.
Good job! Congratulations! But there's also another one that we're looking for. Go, John. Look for someone.
Eh, si Kuya. Shower gamit ng
Very good! Congratulations, Kuya! Are you from Baguio po? Are you from Baguio ba? Oh, from Laguna! Wow! Hello! Who's from Laguna here? From Laguna! Hi! Good afternoon! Eto. Which road in Baguio is famous? O sige, ano sagot? Ano? National Road. Ang galing, tama! Hindi ba the full, tama naman. Oh, you're entitled to that. Because the full question is, which road in Baguio is famous for its nightlife, restaurants, and cafes? Grabe, ang galing na hulaan mo. I think it's destiny. Ayan, guys. Guys, naiinitan ba kayo? Hindi na. Ay, oo. Guys, pag pinagpapawisan kayo, make sure to stay hydrated, ha? Because we have to keep our body fluids intact, no? Next. Okay. What? Ito, food naman. Sino mahilig kumain? Wala. Diyan parang gusto ko sumagot yung si ate doon. Very siya. Diyan. Ano si ate? Diyan, ibigay mo yung mic sa kanya. Ay, ito. Sige. Sige, after. Hello? Question, please. Hello, hi. So urgent lang, guys, no? So we have here a little girl wearing white cardigan and pink. Nawawala po siya, no? Ang parents niya po ay si Dali at saka si Dennis. Dali, Dennis, nasan po kayo? Mr. and Miss Dali and Dennis, no? Andito po siya sa stage. Her name is Maxine. No, Maxine. Ayan, it's okay, it's okay. Andito po siya, please, no? Yung mga nawawala niyo pong anak. Lost and found po, here on the stage. Please. Ayan. So while we are doing some fun, while we are celebrating this occasion, please be reminded po, no, yung mga little child or children, let's be, yes. Ayan na, nawawala guys, ha? Ayan, so stay there lang. It's gonna be fine. Maxine, it's gonna be fine. Okay, so going back for the last question. Asan na si Jan? Ayun. Ate, ha? I love your energy. Next question po. Wow!
Sobrang daming float dito, guys.
More you want more guys later we
Ito
will
ang ganda.
come, but of course we
White.
don't want, but we only want the best for you. And we
Bibilang.
prepared someone and some performances just to add up this festive celebration. Okay guys, are you ready for the performance? Okay, good to hear. Sino ba nagsunod laro later? Okay, later we will also have a group game. Nandiyan na kayo. Stay with us, stay with Pocari and stay hydrated. In the summer capital of the Philippines, let's give it up for Fumi!
What's up, Bagyo? Happy Palagbala! Pense, ay, 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 ay. Teka. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Hey guys! Ay, ay, ay.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa strawberry farm. Umuulan ngayon. Yan, kaya maputik yung daan dito. Dito kami sa likod banda dumaan. Medyo maputik, pero meron naman daw daan dun sa pinakaharap niya na hindi masyadong maputik. Yan guys, ito yung mga strawberries. maputik yung daan kasi umuulan. Eto sa kabila, lettuce naman yan, guys. Ayun pa sa kabila. Doon pa yung mga strawberries. Yan. So, umuulan na, guys. Pupunta kami doon sa harap. Doon kami dadaan para hindi masyadong maputik. So, guys, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog namin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Team Vlogmas. Thank you and God bless.